Greetings once again to my fellow watch enthusiasts on YouTube and Facebook and wherever else this video is being shared. It's the Lean Driver again with another unboxing. But no, this one's not a Zelos. As you saw by the title, it's definitely not a Zelos, although that will hopefully come soon. What I have here is, I guess you could call it an impulse buy. Saw a picture of this particular watch and just became enamored, is a good word, enamored with the color of the watch. It's just a gorgeous watch, gorgeous color. I don't see it very often. And the watch is from Squale, which, as you know, I own 3 of those already. This will be the 4th one. They make a fantastic dive watch. Very solid pieces. They run fantastic. They use relatively common movements, so they'll be easy to service. And they just have a great wrist presence with their coloring and their style, and just a fantastic watch that you could wear every day very easily. So, opening the box, since this is an unboxing, first thing we have here is a goodie bag, if you will. I did buy the watch from Gnomon or Gnomon. No, I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't really. Hope I don't offend anyone when I say I'm not really caring how it's pronounced. All I know is the thing was ordered on Christmas Day and arrived on the 28th, so from Singapore. So not bad. Take note of that, USPS. Anyway, some goodies in here. They give you a little card here, little thank you. And it's a nice little tool for measuring lug width. And it works. It was dead on accurate for the lug width of this watch. Let's see. I already opened this thing, so this is the tag that came with it. Sorry, folks, there was no other way to get it off other than to cut it off, so don't yell at me. Yeah, nice logoed cloth for cleaning. And a NATO strap. I'm not sure whether or not this watch was going to come with a NATO strap, but it was in there anyway. Given the watch face color, I don't think this would go with it, and since I'm not a big fan of NATO straps anyway, that's not going to get used by me, so I'll just store it with the box. Inside the box, we get to the Squale portion of the loadout of the kit. Nice, feels like it should be leather. It's very soft. Oops, that's upside down. Very soft leather watch roll. And if we open her up, we have, let's see, we have the little Gnomon. I'm going to say Gnomon because it sounds right. Instruction card. Just a few tips about, wind it this number of times, don't set the date between 8 p.m. and 3 a.m., etc. And of course the Squale warranty card. And that goes in there. We have the instruction book, which, nice book. Multiple languages, I'm sure, and so on and so forth. Nothing exciting there. And over here is the watch. You ready for this, folks? Ta-da! Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful, folks. I hope this lighting does it justice, because this thing is just a fantastic green color. Looks almost teal or aquamarine in some lights, and in other lights it's a darker green. The beautiful wave pattern. And I love the bezel. It's so very simple to make. And a solid click. And it just locks right in. And no play. No play at all. Just a solid bezel. Makes me happy. Beautiful polish. That's upside down again, sorry. All the information you would want about the particular watch, sapphire crystal, and so on. This is one of their 1521 watches. In terms of the style, it's very similar. I have one of my older ones here. I have the Azul, and you can see the styling is 1521 all the way. Same size, same case, same location of the crown, and so on. Well, obviously a bit different on the hands and the indicators and indices, I'm sorry, and so on, but definitely you can see the diver watch heritage in this. Now, let's see, I've got my sheets of information here. The formal name of this watch is the Squale 50 Atmos Onda Laguna. The Laguna indicates this particular watch color, which is supposed to be exclusive to Gnomon, or Gnomon, or Gnomon. I'm sorry. Somebody will tell me how it's pronounced in the comments, I'm sure. But this is exclusive to that watch seller, according to that watch seller's website. So I don't know how many pieces of this particular style are going to be made, but only one seller is supposed to have this, and that is Gnomon. It's a 41 millimeter, so not too big. 48 millimeter on the tip to tip. Kind of an elongated lug compared to some watches, but still will wear very nicely on the wrist. A lot of the size of it is such that a lot of different wrist styles and sizes can wear this. It's a 20 meter lug width, so plenty of available strap sizes and bracelet sizes for this watch. Could become a strap monster if you wanted it to be. 12.5 millimeter thick, which is pretty thin for a 500 meter water resistant dive watch. Usually with that seriousness of water resistance, they're usually thicker, but not here. You get a ETA 2824-2 Swiss movement, so going to be dead nuts reliable and easy to service if and when the time comes. 38-hour power reserve. It is a hand wind and hackable movement. I'll show you that. I'll unscrew the crown at the 4 o'clock position and pop it twice, and you can see it is hacking. Pull it out once for date adjustment, of course. Stainless steel case and stainless steel bezel. You can see that gorgeous wave texture in the watch face. That's one of the 2 points that really sold me on this watch. The other one, of course, was that gorgeous color. And of course, from Squale, you expect a flat sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating inside the crystal. Just a gorgeous piece. And I know you can't smell it because it's not smell-o-vision yet, but the band on this thing smells incredible. It smells like the finest Italian leather shoes. It really does. It has that distinctive Italian leather air about it, and it's it's good thickness. I mean, it's not some wimpy band. But it's so soft. I mean, right out of the box, it was just beautifully soft and very malleable. So going to be easy to wear. However, and I know I'm going to create controversy by telling you this, I like the band, the strap. I like it, but not as much as the Squale mesh bracelet. So I ordered a mesh bracelet from Long Island Watch. Hopefully be here in a week or so, and I'm going to swap out this bracelet or this band for this bracelet because that's my preference. And it's going to look fantastic to me. And it's my watch after all, so I'll do what I want with it. Signed crown, of course. And just presents beautifully. Screw down case back. Let's pop it on the wrist here and give you an idea of what it looks like on. There we go. Look at the size of those keepers, by the way. Those are huge. So that's what it looks like on my wrist. I believe my wrist is 7 1/4. Wears beautifully. You can see it hits dead center on my wrist. Lugs do not overhang at all too badly, so it's just an excellent fit. And just look at that blue or green or whatever you want to call it. I mean, it looks in this light, it looks aquamarine right now, like my Zelos swordfish. And it's just a color that I've become very fond of recently. One thing Squale does really well are colors. You got to admit, they do coloring very, very well. Oh, and signed buckle as well. That's the one thing I didn't understand is you've got a matte finish buckle and a polished case. Somebody wasn't paying 100% attention at that point. It would have been better with a polished buckle, but that's picking nits, and this band isn't going to be on there very long anyway. Anyway, going to wrap it up at that point because not much more to say. It's a gorgeous watch, a nice addition to my collection, and obviously the last watch I'm going to buy in 2018, since 2018 is almost over. So, if you like the video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. Comments down below. I'll answer all comments, even the negative ones. Just keep it clean, folks. Nastiness will be deleted and you'll be banned. And if you like the video and my other ones, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and click that bell icon next to it so that when I post new videos, you'll be alerted. Hope you enjoyed this look at a very interesting and very unique looking watch. And I will see you in the next